Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Instant Replay not working. The first thing I want you to do is come here to your browser, go to Google and just type in NVIDIA app download and come here and download the NVIDIA app and install this, because usually the issue is you're using GeForce and that is now outdated. So you need to use the NVIDIA app, install that, and once you have it installed, go ahead and just search up NVIDIA, open up the NVIDIA app. And then I want you to come here on the left hand panel, click on settings, and here under overlay, make sure this one is toggled on, and then just go ahead and press Alt plus Z on your keyboard to open up the overlay. And usually if you just go ahead and toggle this one on and off, instant replay right here, it usually fixes the issue. So as you can see now it's off. If we toggle this one back on and you try again, it should fix the issue. But otherwise, I want you to just come here, hit search, and just type in Windows Security. Open this one up. This is what usually fixes the issue for a lot of people. Click here on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down until you see Ransomware Protection. Click on Manage Ransomware Protection and make sure this is actually toggled off. Controlled folder access. This is what's usually messing with the instant replay. So if this is off, that will usually fix your issue. Otherwise, for last resort, just come here, hit search, type in installed apps, open this up, and I want you to just go ahead and scroll down until you see the NVIDIA app. As you can see right here, click on these three dots, click on uninstall and reinstall it. Usually that will fix your issue. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to Quick Fix.